was so many people. All right, let's go get some coffee. Also, today was payday. Oh my god. Cheers. Let's just do it. Excuse me. Ooh, sorry. So I just took a shower. I don't know, I'm really nervous. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Maybe I'll. Okay, here's. Ooh, excuse me. My clothes. I was changing back into. I'm starting my song. Welcome to
your coochie. Stop! It's not ladylike. Stop. Oh my god.
Basically. Right. I'm here. But honestly, like. I just got this one from. Who knew I could do that? Why did it take? So yeah, the first thing I'm planning, because if I don't have videos, all right, it just tastes like fall. Y'all don't understand. I forget. Also, Liv's gonna take a shower. Oh yeah.
Wait, how far am I going?
Abs. All right, let's get started. So, my birthday is Tuesday. All right. So I ended up. Loves you. Oh yeah. Also, body is in pain. So I'm wearing roasted in the comments. Okay, that's it for. You get go check it out. Like. 38 in between clouds. Let's go. Okay.
Oh, that's nice. That's a.
This is my closet. Oh, there's a light.
Hair. Next time you guys see me, I will.
This is my outfit. I have my. It's really hard to explain, but so. Okay. Oh, that one was time.